Cool.
Hello, my name is Numan Abdullah, and I would like to introduce my dad.
Hello. Hi. And we're going to in this particular lesson we're
No,
going
Mama.
in this particular lesson we're going to focus on creating flow tape. Um, and within the HTML page we are going to create an article that will allow us to add 3 images into the web page in various locations. As you can see, these are 3 images, and they are all 3 JPEG images. And we will begin right away. So basically, as you can see, right from the beginning, we have the HTML page, as you can see, with this information. Um, yeah, with this information here. And basically, we're going to create an article here so that we can actually begin the process. We assign various IDs to the article, so that we can later on use various ID tags to position the content in different locations within the screen. So the first one will be location. We'll call it location, and we give it a DT tag, and then we direct it to the particular image that we're going to be using. In our first case, we're going to use guitar.jpg. Yeah, so we put in here guitar.jpg. We put in here guitar.jpg, and we assign a width to it. Now we have a height. Null tag. This is a ribbon guitar. Then we close the definition list, and we should be able to close the article. So let's have a look. Okay, first of all, we see that we have an error here, so we go back here and we try and figure out where the possibility of the problem is. It looks like we closed the article tag here, which we shouldn't have done, and we should have closed it here. So we go back once more, and then this is what we have. So as you can see, we have our image here, and we have the name that represents the picture. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a style that will allow me to use location I'm going to give it a width of 300 pixels and a border of 2 pixels solid. Give this a try, see what we come up with. Look at our image now. I think we have a slight problem here somewhere. Right, so what we need here is we've actually put in our image, as you can see here, and we have our caption, which is immediately below the text. What we can do here, let's see if this works. Color red. Yes. We can change background color. Yellow. So what we have here, we've applied a background color on the definition data. On the definition data, as you can see. We have the definition on the definition description, sorry. If you read through these carefully, you find out that the DL stands for definition list. The DL is definition list. The DT is a definition term, and the DD is a description. Definition description. So this is our description, this is our term, and this is our list, and they're all within the article, as you can see. If I was to add another image now, I would just do this. Take this, paste it here, copy it, and then paste it. I would go to my man.jpg, and I would say this is the custom, this is the traditional custom dress of Yemen. Go back here. As you can see, we have two images here, and we also have two areas of content where we have 2 bits of data. What I could do here now is I could possibly if you look in location, it's set at a width of 300, and our text here, it starts from here, and we're wondering why it actually starts from here, our text. I'm trying to figure out why. If for example we did the left line 30 pixels, float left, we don't really know why it's actually moving. There's no need for this really. So let's just go back here, and if you look carefully, we've got here width of 300. So all we need to do here and as you can see, our content actually moves slightly to the right. If I was to go in here and I typed in 2, location 200, the whole width is actually set to 200. Now, as you can see here, I have a my first description date, as you can see, is the image, and the second description data is also this added content here. My description term is the name here, the name of the country, which happens to be Yemen, right? And everything is within a list, so we have to close the list and then we have to create a new list. So for example, I could just do this again, paste that, save that, and we have another one there. What we're going to try and do now is we're going to try and position things differently.